boys and girls, what's up? I hope you guys are well and excited to do a new art experiment with me today. I'm going to help you make a 3D tree. Let's go, guys.
Okay, boys and girls, it's time to gather all the materials. You're going to need some blue, brown, and green paper, some glue, and scissors. Let's go, guys. Okay, now guys, I'm going to cut the branches for the trees. So I'm going to cut them in straight lines. It does not have to be perfect at all. Make sure you guys take your time. Watch out for your fingers and always be safe. Now friends, that I have my branches, I'm going to stick them on the blank blue sheet of paper. And the blue sheet of paper is going to be the sky and the background for my tree. Now first, I'm going to make my tree trunk. So I'm going to take one of the branches and cut them in half. While I cut them in half, I'm going to stick the tree trunk at the bottom of the paper with glue. Make sure it's just a little bit, or else it'll get a little bit messy. If you're in kindergarten or getting into kindergarten, make sure you follow these steps, because this will help you practice lines. Now I'm going to gently press down so the glue can help the paper stick to the other side of the paper. Now boys and girls, it's time to glue the branches. So I'm going to place a little glue on the top of my tree trunk, and this will help me spread out the branches equally throughout the sheets. Watch how I do it. Now I'm going to take the glue and also paste the other half of the tree trunk on top of the other tree trunk. This will make it feel like it's actually a tree. Now gently press on top so the glue sticks to the other side. Now boys and girls, it's time to make the tree branches into a 3D form shape. Look at how I do it. I first place a little glue underneath the branch. Now I'm going to twist it up and place the end of the branch on top of the glue. Watch how I do it. I'll do it with a bunch of the branches so you get a hang of it. Dun da da da! The branches are secure. Make sure, guys, it does not have to be perfect. It could be any way you like it. Okay, boys and girls, now it's time to make the leaf on the branches. So I'm going to fold it a couple of times so I can make a couple of them at the same time. Watch how I do it. Okay guys, if you can't cut out a leaf free-handed, make sure you take a pencil and actually draw it first. It could be as many shapes as you like it. It could be stars, it could be any kind of shapes that you like. Friends, this is your tree. Make it the way you love to make your tree and express yourself. Express yourself through this art. And I know you can do it. That was cool to do. Now I'm going to show you how to place the glue on top of the leaf. It just has to be a little glue as long as it sticks on the tree trunk and the branches.